The other thing I wanted to illustrate here is called the twin track. All right, this is very easy to use. Is basically a double track recorder and player as well. This is a groundbreaking feature for TerpMate. You can basically turn this on here. There is this red circle. If you click on that, there will be a pop-up like this. Choose your folder or path that you want to save it to, and then you can start the recording here. Now, since you already have the ASR on, it's chosen as system audio. Our floor audio is automatically defaulted to system audio, and you just need to make sure that you are using the right interpretation microphone here. And this will be, once I click on recorder, to be recorded into 2 different files. Okay, and let's do a quick test. So if I'm playing Mark Honey's speech,
A simple question: how did the communist system sustain
start
itself?
the recording. I'm still speaking.
And his
English,
answer
sorry.
began
I'm
with
not
the greengrocer.
for Mark Carney.
Every morning,
you
the
are
shopkeeper
able to hear
places
me,
a sign in his window.
this
Workers of the world unite.
video, simultaneously
He doesn't believe it.
as Mark Carney.
No one does. But he places the sign anyway to avoid trouble, to signal compliance.
So I'm going to stop this recording. Okay, I can pause it, I can stop it. Once I stop it, it's actually saved already into this folder. So I can basically open this folder and then show you that where this is how it looked like. These 2 files, and I can also export this. So I export 2 audio files into one. This is one stereo MP3 file that has the left channel as the original floor and the right channel as your interpretation. So you can basically build your portfolio. You can send this to your trainer for evaluation, or in some cases, if confidentiality allows, you can show this as your voice sample with interpretation for your client. If you are recording your interpretation for a YouTube video, for example, that's totally fine. Okay, and then there is also the player. All right, you can hide a player if you're just using the recorder, but if you want the player to be in action, you can just load in the 2 different files. For example, from my download folder, I have this floor and I have this interpretation. Okay, and then I'm able to play this in sync because the play in sync is on, so I can play both of them together.
System sustain itself.
I'm still speaking English.
And his answer began with the greengrocer. Every morning, the shopkeeper places a sign in his window. Workers.
So you can see that I can adjust the volume left, right, to make sure that it's balanced. If it is not balanced, one is higher and one is lower, I can adjust the volume here. Okay, I can switch the pan left and right. One is left and one is right, but sometimes I prefer the other way around. If I don't play sync, I can basically play
System sustain itself. And his answer began with the greengrocer.
Okay, so this is Mark Honey's speech, and this is, let's start the recording. I'm still speaking English, all right? I'm not interpreting for, so this is my speech, so you can hear both. All right, I'm not using a headset, and that is why you can hear from my recording, there is Mark Honey's speech playing out from my loudspeaker. All right, but I believe that when interpreters are working, all of us will be wearing a headset or headphone, so there is no leak of the original sound into the interpretation recording. So that's it about the TerpMate twin track. We call it twin track recorder and player. Enjoying playing it. Have fun. Thank you.